2018 Genesis G80 review. With minimal compromise, it's really a luxury sedan that creates your money go much further. Now rolling around in its second year to be a standalone brand, Genesis expands its luxury sedan lineup with a brand new turbocharged G80 Sport model. If anyone wondered whether Hyundai, the parent company from where Genesis is spun, meant to compete seriously inside luxury segment, wonder you can forget. For 2018, the G80 adds a 3.3T Sport trim level. Powered by way of a turbocharged V6 and underpinned by an adaptive, performance-oriented suspension, these .3T Sport offers to infuse the lineup having a level of performance that's on par having its European competitors. Up until now, we've found the G80 is surely an exceptionally nice cruiser and commuter, but only just passable on internet to whip up a frenzy from the twists and turns. A sprinkling of other extra features, for instance adaptive LED headlights and wireless device charging, enhance the G80's already impressive set of standard and optional features, an inventory that fetches considerably more money when equipped on similar luxury sedans. And therein lies the benefit of the G80, a motor vehicle where your hard-earned money goes much further. There is really a compromise, needless to say. Inside you can find quality and craftsmanship on the volume of its European and Japanese peers, but rear seat headroom is tight due to this class of car. We've also found the normal suspension doesn't provide the same style of tight and the cushy sophistication of their rivals. And some peers might balk for the Genesis G80 without having the panache or brand recognition of their established rivals. From our standpoint, though, the G80's price atones for these particular sins. It's a truly desirable mid-size luxury sedan. What's new? For 2018, Genesis sprinkles in a few latest features, like optional wireless device charging and adaptive LED headlights. More significantly, the G80 gains a whole new sport trim that has a turbocharged V6 engine. Even in base 3.8 trim, the 2018 Genesis G80 includes enough premium features to think that a proper luxury sedan. You can option inside the base trim with premium and ultimate option packages, but rather of that we'd go with the new 3.3T Sport. Essentially a 3.8 with both option packages plus an upgraded engine. These .3T comes which has a saucier engine, 54 more horsepower, nicer wheels, added styling flourishes plus an adaptive suspension. It costs over a fully loaded 3.8. But the world thinks the performance is worth it. It's the one we'd get. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Genesis G80 is usually a mid-size, 5-passenger luxury sedan accessible in 3 trim levels, 3.8, 3.3T Sport and 5. The number soup will mean you get the size of engine under hood. For a base trim level, the G80 3.8 is not basic, but has a wealth of standard features that equals or surpasses most trolling around in its class. The G80 5.0 adds larger wheels and minor trim enhancements, but more notably more power at a V8 engine. The G80 3.3T Sport is much more oriented to performance driving, featuring its turbo V6 engine and dynamic suspension. The G80 3.8 starts using a 3.8-litre V6 engine, 311 horsepower, 293 pound-feet, an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. Standard features include 18-inch alloy wheels, xenon headlights with automatic high beams, LED daytime running lights, a rear-view camera, heated auto-dimming side mirrors, automatic wipers, traffic adapting cruise control, dual-zone automatic climate control, keyless ignition and entry, plus a hands-free auto-opening trunk lid. Inside the cabin are 8-way power front seats with heating and 4-way power lumbar adjustment, leather upholstery, an electric adjustable leader, driver seat memory settings with an auto-dimming rear view mirror. Technology features have an 8-inch touchscreen interface, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, the Genesis connected services telematics system, 2 USB ports, as well as a 7-speaker audio system using a CD player and satellite radio. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning and intervention, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection are available standard. All-wheel drive models will come with headlight washers, heated rear seats and also a heated leader. The G80 3.8 even offers 2 optional packages. The premium package incorporates LED fog lights, back and front parking sensors, a panoramic sunroof, ventilated front seats, heated rear seats on rear-wheel drive models, rear and side blinds, an invisible device charging pad, a Lexicon 14-speaker audio system along with an upgraded driver information display. The Ultimate package builds about the premium package, adding turn-swiveling LED headlights, an electrical trunk lid, upgraded leather upholstery and driver seat adjustments, matte wood and aluminium trim, a head-up display, a 9.2-inch touch screen, a multi-view rear-view parking camera, a Lexicon 17-speaker speakers, plus a carbon dioxide sensor for your climate control system. The new G80 3.3T Sport includes the Ultimate package features minus LED fog lights and further gains a turbocharged 3.3-litre V6 engine, 365 horsepower and 376 lb-ft, 19-inch wheels, an adaptive suspension, sport front seats, a simulated suede headliner, carbon fiber interior trim, and dark chrome exterior trim. The G80 5.0 Ultimate comes equipped like a 3T Sport, but alternatively uses a 5.0-litre V8 engine, 420 horsepower, 383 lb-ft. When preloaded with optional all-wheel drive, these .3T Sport and 5.0 include a heated tyre. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions which can be fundamentally similar. The S with this review provide our first drive from the 2016 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 litres V6, 8-speed automatic, RWD. Driving. We haven't yet driven the newest 3.3T Sport trim yet, though the regular G80 is decidedly not really a sports sedan, regardless of if the V6 or V8 is underhood or whether engine and transmission solution is tailored to sport mode. The G80 prioritizes cruising comfort over sharp handling bursts of thrill. Acceleration. The regular V6 and V8 engines feel strong, while using V8 clearly having more low-end punch and smooth, linear power delivery. The V8 keeps the G80 competitive to luxury sedans. The base V6 is sufficiently strong, however, to meet most buyers. Steering. The Genesis responds specifically steering input. Driver selectable modes vary the steering effort. Handling. Despite its straight-line cruising aptitude, the G80 hangs on decently in corners, with better grip than its mass might suggest. Comfort. With an extended wheelbase than some of their competitors, the G80 provides a roomy cabin with the abundance of interior volume and rear legroom. Seat comfort and ride comfort are interstellar, much like some rival sedans, however. Seat comfort. The front seats are highly adjustable, nonetheless they aren't as comfortable on the long haul as being the ones seen in several competitors. Ride comfort. Ride quality is decent enough, Even so, the G80 doesn't take in bumps and imperfections such as the benchmark sedans within the class. Noise and vibration. The cabin is impressively quiet, and you'll be hard-pressed to know wind whoosh, tire whine or engine noise. Interior. With a wheelbase that's an inch or higher longer than that regarding many other luxury sedans, the G80 offers generous cabin and passenger room. Rear legroom is similar to that of other sedans, although tighter rear headroom is really a knock from this otherwise stand-out cabin. Technology. Befitting an automobile of its class, the G80 is set with useful tech, including an 8-inch touch screen, a navigation system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, and emergency telematics services. Audio and navigation. A navigation system having an 8-inch touchscreen interface comes standard, as also does a 7-speaker head unit with USB input and Bluetooth streaming. 2 optional lexicon audio upgrades can be purchased, one with 14 speakers and another with 17 speakers. Smartphone integration. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration comes standard, along with Bluetooth hands-free phone and audio streaming and dual USB ports, one a mixed data charge port, one exclusively a charging port. Driver aids. The G80 adds automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection to its suite of driver aids, which includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist.